You've been lied to your whole life. Cracking your knuckles does not cause arthritis. Yeah, all those years of fear, wasted. Turns out it's just gas bubbles popping in your joints. Science said, nah, you're good, but your grandma acted like you were summoning the knuckle demons. And here's the real kicker. There was a scientist who cracked only one hand for 50 years to prove it. Spoiler, no arthritis, just ultimate dedication to petty science. So go ahead, crack away. Your joints will be fine, but your grandma's disappointment, permanent.